Hey, in today's video, we'll discuss how to move sold items down on Depop. Watch this video until the end to learn this and much more. To move sold items down on Depop using your computer, follow these steps. First, visit Depop.com, the link is in the description, and click on Log and use your credentials to log in and access your Depop store. Once logged in, find and click the Move Sold Items Down option on your seller page. This action will move the sold items to the bottom of your store, placing the unsold ones at the top. Alternatively, you can perform this task on your smartphone. Start by downloading the Chrome browser mobile app and launching it. Go to Depop.com, link in the description, and click on Log in. Tap the three dots on the top right corner of your screen and select Desktop Site. Then tap your profile and locate the Move Sold Items Down link. Clicking this link will automatically move the sold items down. You also have the option to manually rearrange your items. Click Rearrange, then rotate your phone to landscape mode and move your items around as needed. So there you have it. Follow these steps to move sold items down on Depop. Thanks for watching.